Hi everyone.
Recording in progress.
Good morning to all our viewers there in the Facebook Live of iPass PNLE Review Academy. And good morning to our very important guest, Miss Ashlyn Faye Santos, who will be providing to us inspirations and motivations on how to successfully pass the Philippine Nurse Licensure Examination. So, si Miss Ashlyn po ay bagong pumasa noong November 2025 na PNLE examination po. And we're very happy that she's able to join us and she will be sharing her story, her backgrounds and insights kung paano niya tayo matulungan yung mga upcoming pa lang na mag-exam ng PNLE po nila. Firstly, Miss Ash, I'd like to thank your time po. Thank you po sa pag-google ng oras po ninyo and sa pag-share po ng oras ninyo para dito sa PNLE Success Talk po natin. So the objective of our PNLE Success Talk is to provide inspiration sa mga nagpe-prepare pa lang ng mga na-examination nila on their Philippine Board Examination, because we know that sometimes medyo nagkukulang sa tiwala sa sarili, or sometimes sobrang kinakabahan dahil papa-exam na, and we know that you are going to make it on your examination so long as you did the right preparation, dahil alam naman namin na kayo ay talagang nag-prepare for your PNLE. So Miss Ash, good morning po. I-unmute kita, ma'am, ha? Ask to unmute. There.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes po. Good morning po.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Hi. Blessed day.
Yes, blessed day. It's very early in the morning. It's still 9 a.m. Philippine time. Tayo ay nagla-live na, sharing our success to our future PNLE passers. Ma'am Ash, matanong ko po, ano po yung background natin as a nurse?
Ay, okay po. Ma'am, I graduated at Mariano Marcos State University in year 2024. July po siya. And then initially, ma'am, I reviewed for the November boards of that same year. But then I had some issues, health issues, ma'am, specifically, to the point that I become hospitalized 3 times. Kaya 1 month po before the boards, I nag-stop na po ako. Hindi na ako nag-take, ma'am. So, I declined the course. And then, yun po, ma'am, January, the following year, 2025, I was diagnosed with anxiety disorder. Can you imagine? So, yun po talagang anxiety. Di ko pala kinaya talaga. Di wala talaga kinaya, ma'am. That's why this talk, this specific, talk, I would want to share to the students how they can manage their anxiety para hindi na po sila pumunta sa mga pinagdaanan ko, because specifically I was at my lowest, and one of the things I am most thankful to is iPass actually, ma'am. Kasi let me just start off this way. Napaka-welcoming po ng iPass. I mean, peace-wise, napaka-calm po ng ating environment. There is no pressure. Kaya for people like me na merong mental health problems or dealing with anxiety, our review center is specifically catered to ease the burden of not just students, but those who are like me na nagtratrabaho na po, because I was in business for 1 year, ma'am. I was no less than a year, so I was specifically in business. So, yung pang flexibility-wise, I commend iPass because ang ganda po ng review program natin, specifically those playbacks. It was really beneficial for me, ma'am. Habang nagbe-business ako, habang I was managing and co-managing other family businesses, I was able to review kahit 3 months lang po. Kasi di ba ma'am, nag-start po tayo na I think June. But then po, I was thinking twice kasi I had problems with still my anxiety and then yung other family matters and businesses. So I planned na again magte-take ako ng February, but then napaka-comforting po ni na Sir Lim, sina Ma'am Jem, sina Doktora, sina Sir MJ. They made me have hope, feel hope na kaya, ma'am. Kaya with just 3 months, kinayang mag-review at kinayang makabasa sa board exam. So, for the students out there, I would just want to congratulate you guys and say specifically that I am proud and I'm grateful that right now you're still fighting, you're still hoping, you're still praying. And if kinaya ko, my dears, I think with God's help, nothing is impossible. Kakayanin niyo din. Ay, napakadami ko nung sinabi, my dear.
Very powerful yung introductory message natin, Ma'am Ashlyn, because this is not just an ordinary success talk, but it is really a parang sabi natin, hope talk and success talk. Combination na siya ng ano natin, combination na siya ng hope and success. We are very grateful din po, Ma'am Ashlyn, na nagkaroon tayo nung ganun na realization and na meron tayong hope doon sa mga magte-take pa lang na yes, we can really I totally agree with you that sometimes yung examinations natin, regardless of what type of examination, it can cause us anxiety and all other pressures that we are encountering in life, all other concerns that we have. And once all of this will accumulate, sometimes it gives us yung mga concern natin, specifically with regards to our health. But we are very happy, Ma'am Ashlyn, that you're able to surpass it because hindi simple ang pagmamanage ng ganon. Sometimes it can be very overwhelming to the point na hindi na tayo na-function well. But here you are, speaking in front of our audience, providing this success talk, providing them hope and inspiration na kung kinaya mo yung pressure, kung kinaya mo yung burden, definitely kakayanin din nila. They just have to be probably stronger. So, yun yung kailangan nating, so yun yung gusto nating iparating sa kanila ngayon. Kung ano yung mga probably ginawa mo, at ano yung mga tips mo na bakit mo kinaya, paano mo kinaya yung mga bagay-bagay. Ma'am Ashlyn, you mentioned that you are managing business. And so, maraming ganap sa buhay mo. Knowing that you are also a student, I know that it was very difficult to manage your time. So, paano mo kinaya ang pagmamanage ng time mo, Ma'am Ash, if I may ask?
Through ma'am, routine, if I may say specifically. Kasi if share ko lang, ma'am, I would first of all, ma'am, I would like to thank iPass kasi nung nagbe-browse ako, ma'am, isa po sa mga tips ni iPass is get enough sleep. Di ba, ma'am? Meron po yun. I was so grateful na meron yun, ma'am. I mean, merong review center na na-appreciate na yung student magkaroon ng enough sleep, my dear. Because I'm not talking bad about some review centers, but on some review centers, it is like really a battle of the fittest, ma'am, no? Like, talagang puksaan, talagang competition on all sides, on all aspects. I was really grateful for iPass na you prioritize sleep. Yung thorough routine ko po noon while managing the business, I would just wake up mga 6, ma'am, and then 6 to 8. Pure managerial na yun, ma'am. At saka yung household na din because panganay po ako, my dear. So I have some responsibilities as to the studies of my siblings. Kaya ako din po yung isa sa mga nagpapaaral since I am the eldest. And then I would manage. And then by 8 to 9, ma'am, I would come here, ma'am, sa Starbucks because some Starbucks has been really a great help for me, the staff and everyone. Ito ang naging go-to place ko, ma'am. That's just to have an escape, hindi naman sa escape, another environment. Kasi pag sa ano lang ako, ma'am, sa office lang ako, sa business lang namin, I would not be able to focus. So I would stay here in the cafe for almost 12 hours a day, my dear. So I would hear breakfast, lunch, dinner. And then dito na po ako nagre-review, ma'am. And then I would, basta suki po ako ng mga playback videos, ma'am. At saka I would bring here my books. And then I would read and read and read. At saka, ano po, ma'am, yung mga practice exams, ma'am, na dinevelop niyo po, dito ko na din po siya ginagawa. And then I would go home at around 10, ma'am, 10, 11, and then do some konting managerial na din, audit. Tapos yun na din, ma'am, tulog na ako for 7 to 8 hours. And my dear students, I would really like to tell you the importance of sleep. Matulog po kayo, my dear friends, because it would really help you, your brain, your health. Kasi pag imagine, 3 to 4 hours lang kayo matutulog, manghihina talaga kayo, my dears. Your brain would not function at its most maximum capacity. At saka magiging haggard din kayo, magiging dehydrated, lahat-lahat na mo. Yun, ma'am ko.
Ayan, very important yung point na mention ni Ma'am Ashley na dapat matulog po tayo. Kailangan po natin ng enough sleep. Okay, kailangan natin ng enough sleep para mag-function yung talagang brain cells natin at its maximum capacity. Ayan, and I'd also like to add on to that na kailangan po ng well hydration talaga. Dapat well hydrated po tayo. So, apart from sleeping, na very important point on having your review that you should have at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep, then you should also drink a lot of water para kasi kapag well hydrated yung body natin, mas better po ang pag-function ng body natin at ng brain natin. So, yun po. Ma'am Ash, with regards to your preparation, ma'am, nabanggit mo that you are studying for 12 hours or 8 hours, ma'am, ano? Sometimes, tuloy-tuloy ba yun, ma'am, na yung buong 3 months, yun lang ang finocus mo? Or paano yung naging preparation po natin? I'd like to understand po kung paano nyo ginawa.
Ay, yung 3 months, that is full of July, August, September. Basta 3 months na ako na nag full-time na nag-review, ma'am. As in, full-time po talaga, dire-diretso. As for my responsibilities in the business, I kind of like, meron akong ibinigay ko muna yung part of the responsibility so I could focus well on the review, ma'am. And 3 months talaga, ma'am, kinaya naman po sa awa ng Diyos, ma'am. Kinaya talaga. Kinaya na with the exhaustive na din na structured program ng IPAS. Tsaka, yun pong ma'am, yung ulit yun, ma'am, yung mga question, ma'am, yung mga test-taking strategies, ay parang kinumbine ko po yung mga nakuha kong tips sa NCLEX review program na yung mga nyo po dun, ma'am, yung dun sa website nyo po, tsaka dun sa PNL. Halos pinag-combine ko po lahat, tas i-condense ko po lahat yun, kaya yung pong naging schedule ko during the 3 months, it's lang siksik po, but okay naman po. Yan po, ma'am.
Ayan, thank you for sharing that, Ma'am Ashley. Nakaya naman ng 3 months doon sa mga nagpe-prepare talaga. Kasi our program, for example, ngayon, nagsimula tayo dahil bagong change yung PRC na schedule for the examination. So, instead of November and May, ginawa nilang February and August. So, nagsimula tayo ng, kapag kasi November na examination, July yan, nagsisimula. So, I think yun yung kinuha mo, Ma'am Ash, no? And then, kapag May naman, nagsisimula yan January. So, since ngayon, since February yung examination, nagsimula kami kasi November kami kasi nagsimula because yun din yung time na nag-change. Pero, in most of the cases, nasa 3 to 4 months yung preparation natin. So, most probably by August of 2026 magsisimula din yan ng I think May, June, July, August, or parang April yata magsisimula. So, we are very happy, Ma'am Ashley, na despite of the responsibilities that you have in your family business, nakayanan pa rin. Ma'am, bakit mo pinili na mag-online? Because I know that maraming face-to-face na classes, maraming review centers out there na face-to-face. Apart from nagmamanage po kayo ng business, what was your primary consideration? Bakit pinili niyo po ang online program na PNLE ni IPAS, Miss Ash?
Primarily, ma'am, the flexibility-wise po. At saka, if Ma'am April will be able to recall, lagi ko pong tinatanong or lagi po nagre-request, pwede po ba ma'am magkaroon ng playback speed yung mga videos, yung 2 times tier? Ganun po nga. Tsaka parang, di ba po kasi ma'am, pag business, lalo pag sa ating consumer trading, sanay po tayo na na medyo fast-paced ang ating day-to-day. Kaya I would opt na i-times to yung mga lectures. Hindi naman po na but to save the time at saka po para maulit ko pa po yun po yung ko at saka na, I would not just watch it one time na parang sa real life na lecture po, but I could watch it 2 times, 3 times, ganun po. Yun po ang mga ginawa ko. Meron po kasi I would really if I may say para po kasi akong I mean, the way I do things, siguro influence na din po ng business. Kasi po, pag businessman, ma'am, di ba? We look for ways on parang mga shortcuts, strategies on how we will be able to get to our goal. Parang ganun po, ma'am. I'm sorry, but nag-integrate po talaga yung ko. Pagka-businessman ko, dear.
Thank you, Ma'am Ashlyn. Primary point is the flexibility kasi as you mentioned nga, you can be able to parang manage yung pagre-review natin in a way na mapapabilis mo siya compared sa face-to-face na depende naman din yon sa pacing. So, for those of nurses who are probably outside of the country and doesn't have means to attend the face-to-face, you can definitely join our program because it's online and it's very flexible as what Ma'am Ashlyn mentioned na pwede mo din siyang balikan because we have our portal that you can visit para kung ano yung kailangan mo, kung ano yung na-miss mo, you will always have the access via our portal. Ma'am Ashlyn, I'd like to ask your feedback with regards to our educators. What can you say with the quality of education that our educators po are providing to our students?
Well, first and foremost, I commend our 4 instructors, ma'am, si Sir Lim, si Ma'am Jem, si Sir MJ, saka po si Doktora. 4 of them, they single-handedly taught us, ma'am, for the entire course of the program po. Legit, ma'am, I am so honored, so blessed, at saka so grateful, ma'am, na sila yung naging mga instructors namin. Sir Lim, ma'am, the environment with Sir Lim is just so peaceful, ma'am, so happy, so welcoming. Each day, ma'am, yung mga classes niya, para kaming nasa at home lang po. That's what I would want to say. Parang very homey, ma'am. There is literally talaga po no pressure. Tapos si po Ma'am Jem, packed with details as in, ma'am, napakatalino, and then ma'am, si Ma'am Jem, very fast-paced din po siya, ma'am, na mag-instruct. I commend her intellectually, ma'am, ang talino. Si Doktora po, she made us feel like we were her babies. Ganun po yung turo niya sa amin. Sir MD, we are beyond grateful. He was able to make CHN very bearable for us na medyo nagkakaroon ng problema sa CHN at sa mga communicable diseases. But, ma'am, I thank you. I thank you very much for developing IPAS and for structuring those instructors sa mga review program. Because of that, we were able to uh, pass our board exams and get our license. And just a side note po sa mga students, I would really want, what can I say? Being a professional, everyone, guys, actually has its perks kasi even though you will have a different career, yung kasi lisensya mo, hindi makukuha yan ng ibang tao, no? Unless you lose it legally, no? At saka pag lisensyado po kasi kayo, my dear students, you will have an edge. I mean, people will respect you. Let's admit it. We're in the Philippines. Kasi pag parang wala kang lisensya, kahit na you are a graduate of a prestigious university, other people will look down on you. I have been with clients and suppliers and whatsoever. People will look down on you if wala ka talagang, wala kang, wala kang, wala kang bala, wala kang pansaga. At least if you have a license, kahit saan ka rin ka pumunta or even if you want to continue pursue nursing or other fields, you will have something to defend yourself in. And that's what I can say.
Ang ganda ng point na nabanggit mo, Ma'am Ashley, no? Kasi talaga, I would agree with you na ang lisensya mo ay sayong-sayo. Hindi yan, that's really an added edge para sa'yo. Regardless of whatever field or whatever direction or kung ano man yung goal na gusto mong i-take moving forward. So, since we have graduated BSN, might as well talagang kukunin natin yung lisensya natin because it's just a matter of preparation and you will be able to get your license. So, pagtsagaan lang natin yung time na nag-prepare tayo for this and we know that you guys can be able to make it. You are going to make it happen so long as nag-prepare ng maayos naman. And thank you, Ma'am Ashlyn, for providing the information to our audience that you have commended our educators. Talagang ang mga educators natin, hindi basta-basta yan. Masasabi ko, hindi basta-basta yan. Lahat ng educators natin, national lecturers yan, ang talagang nagturo yan ng ilang, ay kasi dekada na. Ang nakapag-produce na ng mas sobrang daming RNs out there. So, I can say that we can really vouch their credibility sa pagtuturo at sa pag-teach ng mga students so for them to be able to be prepared well on their PNLE. Ma'am Ash, with regards to the program in general, what can you say po, ma'am, regarding sa program ni IPAS PNLE Review Academy po?
It's very efficient, ma'am. 100%. I can vouch for that. And of course, I can really recommend it to other students or to other people who know some people that would want to have a review program. They could call a home. Specific talaga yung home na word dito sa IPAS, ma'am. For me talaga, it feels like home. There is, kasi po, the environment is in IPAS, if I may say, hindi talaga siya competition-based, ma'am. Hindi siya not at all. In my months staying in IPAS, staying with you, ma'am. At saka, kayo po, ma'am, nagme-message kayo sa natin, sa group chat natin, my dear, oh my God, yung mga words of wisdom mo doon, ma'am, yung mga caring words mo, ma'am. I mean, for someone who has mental health problems like me, who has difficulty reading, na seeing the brighter world, saka nagkakaroon ng mga, siyempre po, anxiety disorder, di natin matatanggal na magkaroon ng medyo suicidal thoughts, something like ganun, ma'am. I am very thankful, ma'am, talaga sa environment ng IPAS. It really helps saves lives, ma'am, literally. For people like me talaga, ma'am. Kaya I would really recommend it to people who are having anxiety, yung mga nagkakaroon ng depression, specifically if their board exam is approaching or they are contemplating on taking their board exam. They really need something that they could anchor in terms of not just yung yung ano natin, ma'am, yung knowledge-wise, 100% ma'am, there is no ano that 100%. Wala akong masasabi aside from praise. Yung added bonus lang talaga ma'am, is yung supportiveness, saka yung kindness ma'am. Saka hindi lang po kayo, hindi lang yung mga teachers, pati yung mga staff ma'am, ang babait. I commend them ma'am, I really do. So I am just praying for everything in your on your review program. Sana ma'am, it could reach more people. It could reach more students. And sana, God blesses your business in multiple ways. Sa mas marami pa po kayong matulungan, ma'am. That's just it.
Maraming salamat po for that words of gratitude coming from you, Ma'am Ashlyn. Nakakataba ng puso yung mga binigay niyo po at nasabi niyo po dahil these days ang dami talagang pwedeng mangyari, no? Ang daming ganap sa buhay natin, and there can be a lot of things that causes us anxiety, causes us concerns with regards to mentally, in a mental aspect. So it is a very we are very appreciative of your words na you found home, you find home in IPA. So napaka comforting din na coming from you who was able to use the program na nasabi mo yon. At shout out to all our educators talaga, to all our team members who were there for you, na nagtulong sa'yo on this journey. Not only that, they have prepared you, in the knowledge wise, but they have not only prepared you intellectually, but they also provided hope to you na kayang-kaya mo abutin yung RN license natin. Ma'am Ash, when we started our interview, you mentioned that you want this talk to be like an inspiration for those who are actually experiencing anxiety. Ma'am, with your experience, paano mo na-manage yung anxiety mo while at the same time you are reviewing? Maybe we can help those who are going to view this discussion kung baka makakuha din sila ng tips and strategies kung ano yung in-apply mo on your personal experience, Ma'am Ash.
Okay po, ma'am. So, my dear students, if you are dealing with anxiety right now, and I know you are really dealing with anxiety right now, you are full of doubts, no? If you are doubting yourself, sabi nyo, hindi ko pa naaral lahat, hindi ko pa to kaya. My dear, I urge you to take a rest, no? Relax. Paano mag-relax? Just be mindful of other things. Try to utilize your five senses. If you want to listen to some music, listen to some music. If you want to smell yung mga cologne, yung mga essential oils, try to smell some. Try to massage yourself and try to see things, observe, just to let it cool. Let yourself relax. Calm down. Tsaka isipin nyo, you have reviewed since day one. Ginawa mo lahat-lahat. You gave in the work. I just want you to trust yourself and then trust God. Kasi if hindi mo kayang pagkatiwalaan sarili mo, trust that God can do anything. That God can do anything, my dears. At saka, if you are feeling anxious, eto po yung mga isa sa mga nuggets ko during the review. If you are feeling anxious, it's a reminder for you to pray. Kasi, through prayer, you can ask for anything. You can ask for guidance, wisdom, strength, endurance, resilience. Kasi, di ba, nasa Bible verse natin, I'm really heavy on, kasi spirituality. It is one of the anchors na it kept me grounded through my entire life, specifically during my period na mental problem. It says sa pray and seek and you will find, ask and it will be given. Anything you ask for in prayer, you shall receive. Diba? Meron po ganon. You have to just believe it, my dear. believe it with all your heart, and then learn to surrender. You cannot conquer the world in one day. Tsaka, 'di ba, yung Rome is not built in one day. It is built through mga days. And I just want you to believe in yourself, trust in yourself. Don't be hard on yourself, please. Yung mga instances na gusto ng katawan nyo magpahinga, please do. Kahit 15 minutes lang, and then reward yourself. Eat. Kumain kayo, my dear. If you have a time to bond with your family, bond ng konti. It's not, hindi naman na gusto mong makapasa sa board exam. Of course, I know 100% na you are doing the very best that you can. Kasi di ba, I know for sure, hindi nyo lang ito ginagawa kasi para sa mga sarili ninyo, no? You can be doing it for your family, for your future family, for your siblings, saka relatives. I know that you mean well. At saka, I know that you genuinely want to save your patients' lives. I know that. Kasi ito yung profession natin, di ba? But I would want you to not forget to take care of yourself too. Tao ka din. Kasi oo nga, nag-alaga ka ng ibang tao, but then you neglect yourself, please don't. Please take care of yourself too. Treat it with kindness, dear. Kindness, love, respect, all that you can give, and all that you want to give to other people. Please give it to yourself also. No? And yourself will thank you for that.
Ang beautiful ng words mo, Ma'am Ashlyn. It's very rare for us to be able to hear this coming from somebody who have been in that experience na talagang because it's difficult to even let the other people know that you have this kind of experience, but ikaw hindi ka nagdududa at hindi ka nag-aalanganin na sabihin na please have some kindness for yourself, treat yourself well, because really at this time parang ang dami nating pwedeng maisip, ang daming pressures outside, and sometimes we just need to pause, we just need to breathe, and we just need to trust the process. You know, sometimes anxiety comes from the fear of not being able to control the things na hindi natin alam kung ano ba yung pwedeng mangyari. For example, you are going to sit for your examination, may it be for the PNLE, may it be for the NCLEX, and you'll never know what could be the outcome of that examination. Marami ka ng oras na ina-invest, emotionally nag-invest ka, financially nag-invest ka, and I think doon nanggagaling yung fear natin na hindi natin alam at hindi natin nakokontrol yung mga bagay-bagay, and that could be the reason why nagkakaroon tayo ng anxiety. But remember yung sinabi ni Ma'am Ashlyn, when you don't have anything, you have God in you actually. You have God who is there, willing to listen to you, and to whom you can surrender yung mga bagay-bagay. So if you don't have any control of everything, kasi hindi nga natin alam kung ano yung magiging output, surrender it to the Lord. Because siya naman yung provider ng everything. As you mentioned, the Bible verse, ask and you shall receive, seek and you shall find. Yun talaga yung dapat nating panghugutan, that when we don't know about anything, we just need to surrender, and it will make us calm, it will give us rest, it will give us peace. So, remember nyo po yun, guys, yung mga sinabi ni Ma'am Ashlyn, because that's a very beautiful. And don't forget, sabi niya, reward yourself. So, kain kayo ng ice cream. Kain kayo ng chocolate. Go somewhere that you feel like, if you feel like very burdened, if you feel like very stressed with the things going on with your life, take some time to breathe, give some leisure for yourself, bond with your family, at least, and then you come back again doon sa pag-aaral natin, okay? Huwag na makalimutan, kailangan pa rin magpatuloy doon sa pag-aaral natin, okay? So, sabi ni Ma'am Ash, tao ka din. Kailangan mo ng pahinga, kailangan mo ng pag-alaga sa sarili mo. And always remember that God will always be supporting with your goals and dreams because He wants the best for you. You just have to work on your dreams, and andyan siya, gagabay para tutuparin yung pangarap mo. Ma'am Ashlyn, I'd like to ask 3 tips coming from you, ma'am. Doon sa pag-aaral naman, paano natin makukuha talaga ang examination natin? Ano yung tips mo, ma'am, para sa mga nag-prepare pa lang ngayon ng PNLE nila?
The preparation before the boards, ma'am ko.
Yes, ma'am.
If I would say, first, try to categorize your reviews gaya ng ginagawa ng review center. You try to hyper-focus on these significant details. Hindi nyo kailangan na i-review talaga yung buong book ninyo nung nag-college kayo. You just need to highlight. Yun, i-master nyo yun, yung mga sinasabi ni Sir Lim, yung mga pointers, that is very, 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 very effective. And you have to read it not just once, multiple times hanggang ma-solidify yon in your brain cells, if I may say. Tsaka second is that, tadtarin nyo yung sarili nyo sa mga self-practice questions. As in a day, it would really help you kung maka 100 items ka, less than 100, it's okay. Basta, you need to, tadtarin yung talaga yung sarili nyo sa mga self-practice questions. Kasi believe me, magiging lang yung board exam. Magiging sibuyas ay magiging chicken lang yung board exam if you are well prepared kasi you're not just developing your brain, you're developing your instinct. Kasi di ba kung nasa board exam ka na kasi, lalo pag nagkaroon ka na ng maraming practice questions, hindi mo mismo ma-remember yung answer. Parang yung body mo kasi sinasabi niya, parang eto, familiar to kasi based on your memory-wise, sorry, nawala yung ko.
Okay naman, Ma'am Ash.
Okay po. Memory-wise, nagkakaroon ng, na ulit yun? Nagkakaroon ng recall yung ating mga, I don't know if, I think there is a scientific significance, but yung instinct mo talaga magiging norm kasi dun sa board exam, I would just want to say, my dear, wait lang. Sa board exam, it would be 12, ma'am, no? At saka 15 pages. It would be really, really, really long. Kaya, dapat, before you enter the board exam, meron ng solidified knowledge, meron ka ng solidified knowledge. Yung foundation mo talagang matibay na yon para during the board exam, para ka nang, yung nasa mind ko, para ka nang naglalaro. Parang games na lang yun, ma'am, di ba? I just don't know, but for me kasi, ma'am, noon, parang naging games na lang siya kasi everyday I would really answer questions, mga aabot sa mga 50 questions, at saka hindi lang po pang PNLE kasi itinry ko din po yung mga parang questions na rin sa NCLEX kasi po meron po, ma'am, di ba? Meron po mga books na nabibili sa Shopee. Kaya I just tried and then believe me, pagdating sa board exam, it would be really, really fun. Parang talagang naglalaro kasi wow, ang ano naman ito, ang ganda-ganda ito, parang ang dali naman ito. At saka third, just from day one, practice naman na yung common sense, my dears. Common sense kasi yung board exam, primarily para talagang although para kasi parang basic na kasi yung common sense, di ba? Pero do not neglect common sense kasi sa board exam, it would really serve you good. Huwag kang mag-overthink, my dear. Just stick to your foundation. Mag-common sense ka para andun na din lang kasi yung mga answers. Yun, it's really fun. Huwag kayong matakot sa board exam, my dear. It's really fun. So long as you have a solid foundation, nagkaroon kayo ng mga practice tests, Tsaka, you, 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 memorize, hindi na memorize, you understood the concepts. Para ka lang talagang naglalaro. Para ka lang, it's really exciting, it's really fun. At saka, eto, before the board exam, I would want you na yung approach mo dapat pag nag-board exam ka na is, hindi yung, ano yung mangyayari? Oh my gosh, di ko ata to kaya. No, I would want you to take it head on. Sabi mo sa sarili mo, I have studied, I did my best now. Tignan natin kung ano yung papakita ng boards. At ganon, I can do it. I want to fight for this. Ganon dapat, my dear. Kasi, oo, nag-review ka, at lahat ng paka-exam mo, 100%. But the moment na magkaroon ka ng doubt, it would really take a downfall. Dapat talaga maging yung fighter spirit mo, ilabas mo talaga during the preparation for your board. I can do it. I will fight for this. Ganon. Ganon talaga. It's really an advantage pag ganon yung iyong approach. Yun.
Ang galing ng mga sinabi ni Ma'am Ash. Parang if I would want to invite a motivational speaker na magbibigay ng motivation sa mga students before mag-board, ikaw yung i-invite ko, Ma'am Ash. Kasi ang galing ng mga sinabi talaga. So, nabanggit ni Ma'am Ash na kailangan solid yung concept natin. Solid yung foundation. Yung foundation natin, nagiging solid yon dahil naman nag-prepare ka ng maayos. Nabanggit nga ng mga educators namin, nag-prepare ka ng ilang months. Actually, nag-o-over mo kung ano kailangan mo mag-o-over. It's just that huwag kang panghinaan ng loob at huwag mong pagdududahan yung sarili mo kung kaya mo ba or hindi. Kasi nga, sabi ni Ma'am Ash, the moment that you're going to doubt yourself, andun yun magsisimula magkakaroon ka na ng anxiety, magkakaroon ka na ng mental block, at ma-overwhelm ka na kaya ko kaya. Hindi naman kailangan, there's a lot of the questions that you are going to encounter. You will have 500 questions in your NP1 to NP5. Ang dami nun. But if you have your solid foundation at talagang maniniwala ka sa sarili mo at hindi ka magdadoubt, yun, talagang simula yun ng success mo. Ayan, sabi ni Mamash, do not overthink. Kasi nag-aral ka. Nag-practice ka ng maraming practice questions. Do not question the question. Okay? Huwag kang mag-overthink. Kasi kung ano yung napag-aralan mo, talaga namang meron kang mapagkukunan kung ano yung dapat na isasagot mo. And be excited na mag-e-exam ka na. Huwag mong katakutan ng board exam. But go to the examination center feeling excited. Ano kaya yung may encounter ko? At alam ko, kayang-kaya kong lampasan itong board. After my 2 days of board examination, I will be able to claim my RN license soon. So, dapat ganun yung mindset natin, guys. Dapat ganun yung, ganun yung thoughts and feelings natin with regards to our board examination. Kausap ko si Ma'am Ash, naging excited din ako Parang mag-e-exam din ako ng board ng PNLE board Ma'am Ash, sobrang thank you po sa tips and strategies nyo sa mga future pa na mag-e-exam po. Sabi dito ni Ma'am Jamie, congratulations, Ma'am Ashlyn. Actually, si Ma'am Jamie, yung Assistant Program Administrator natin sa NCLEX review natin. Si Ma'am April is also with us. She is one of the very diligent and very matyaga na team members natin na nag-a-assist sa atin sa ating mga kailangan. So, shout out to Sir Louie, to Ma'am April, to everybody in IPAS, and to all our educators, si Sir Ryan, si Sir Magtanong, si Miss Jem, at si Dr. Iray. So, without your efforts, team, we will not be able to have a successful program that we have here in IPAS PNLE. And I'd like to also thank you, Ma'am Ash, for truly trusting the process and trusting IPAS PNLE Academy, ma'am, na talagang tutulong sa'yo na maging successful on your board examination on the PNLE. Ma'am, to close our discussion, anybody that you'd like to thank po, anyone that you'd like to mention, anyone that you'd like to thank, feel free to use this platform po kung may gusto kang i-shout out din.
Okay, ma'am. Of course, first and foremost, I would like to thank God. God is really such a graceful Father, no? I could not be thankful enough. I could not be grateful enough. God is not just a father, He is also a friend, a provider. Siya na po kasi lahat-lahat. I don't know how I would tell this, but God loves us so much, my dear friends. Sana you would be able also to open your hearts and allow Him to move and allow yourself to feel how God can be so loving, so caring, so generous. Hindi ko ma-explain, my dear. How can I say it? Basta God loves us so much and it's a blessing to dedicate this life to Him, and it's a blessing to steward all of His blessings. It's a blessing to fulfill His purpose in our life. At saka yung isang Bible verse na tumatakbo talaga sa akin. Not my will, but let your will be done. Kasi if ito yung maging mantra natin, kahit na ayaw natin, kahit na gusto nating magstay sa comfort zone, if God called us out to do so, I hope we would find the courage to meet Him there. Kasi most probably He has already prepared the way, ma'am. Gaya po na itong mga success talks, ma'am. Ito po, ma'am, this actually, in my Bible reading, ma'am, yung po kasing lumalabas nun, do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be anxious. Yun po yung 4 days, ito po yung lumalabas. And then, nag-message po si Ma'am April sa akin, ma'am, na sabi niya, would you want, ma'am, to join the... sabi ko agad-agad, of course, yes. Kahit natakot ako, ma'am. Kahit nervous ako, pero pag sinabi ni God na tawid ako, tatawid talaga ako. Pag sinabi ni God na walk through the open door, I would walk through the open door. And I would just encourage dear students to allow God to come in your hearts and allow yourself to feel how loving He can be. Ayun lang po, ma'am po.
Thank you, Ma'am Ash. I know that I can feel how solid your spirituality is. And I think ayun din yung mga isang reason kung bakit, yun yung mga pinanghuhugutan mo, ma'am, kung bakit in every day of your life, nagiging maganda yung turnout ng mga bagay-bagay. Dahil kahit naman kung ano yung mga nangyayari externally, but deep within you, andun yung tiwala talaga na there is somebody who's going to guide you. And sobrang ganda ng foundation na yun, ma'am, na kahit ano man yung mangyari, there's always a somebody greater than me, there is somebody who is a divine force who's going to guide me in all the ways that I'll be doing. Ang ganda nung foundation na yon, ma'am. Ang ganda nung belief na yon, ma'am. So, I really commend you on that as well. And to all our viewers out here, I know that we have a lot of things. It can be internal, it can be external. There are so many circumstances that can happen in our life. But if we have a solid trust in the Lord, andun lagi yung paniniwala na siya yung gagabay sa atin. Kahit anuman yung challenges ng buhay natin, talagang malalampasan at malalampasan natin. As you mentioned, Ma'am Ash, allow Him to move in the ways that He would want it to happen. Because, I'd like to also mention that we have we can have a lot of plans in our lives. And sometimes, hindi nangyayari yung mga bagay-bagay the way we want it to happen. But if we align it with the plans of the Lord, kahit paliko man yung mga roads natin na nakikita at hindi man straight yung road na nakikita natin, but when we align our plans to His plans, dadating at dadating tayo doon sa destinasyon kung saan si Lord, yan yung gusto niya sa atin. Always remember that He has the best plans for you. Plans to flourish, plans for you to prosper. And always remember, yung nabanggit mo, Ma'am Ash, that's Jeremiah actually. Jeremiah, hindi ko lang alam yung verse, but that's Jeremiah, na do not fear because I am with you. So kung ano man yung plano natin career-wise, may it be we're aiming to pass the PNLE, we're aiming for a bigger career, move forward internationally, know that you don't need to fear. Because God wants the best for you and He will always be at your back to support you with your career goals as long as it is aligned with His plans for you to prosper. So Ma'am Ash, maraming salamat po sa oras po ninyo and maraming salamat po sa pag-inspire ninyo sa mga classmates and sa mga future pa na magte-take ng PNLE na talagang kailangan lang nilang magtiwala sa proseso at magtiwala that there is divine source who's going to help them with all their career moves. So, thank you so much, Ma'am Ash, sa oras po ninyo. And I really congratulate you for successfully passing the PNLE. I wish you the best on your career moves as well. And on your business, definitely, I know that marami kang ginagawa. You are a busy person, yet you're able to share your 1 hour with us for us to be able to motivate and inspire our students that they too can be able to make it on their PNLE examination. Thank you po, Ma'am Ash, and we wish you all the best. Maraming salamat po.